My name is Matt McDermott. I'm the Technology Manager at Rolf Glass, and this is Gary Shogan, Production Manager at Rolf Glass. Rolf Glass is a small manufacturer of decorated glassware located in Mount Pleasant, Pennsylvania. We take blank glassware and decorate it with several processes, namely diamond wheel engraving, sandblast etching, and glass polishing.
Each month we hold a company all-hands meeting, using this time to teach and communicate the critical numbers, company culture, and the role each of us played towards being successful. While preparing for these meetings, we discovered some interesting facts. In 2013, our average machine cutting efficiency was 88%, which means we were losing 12% of our product and profit through the lack of productivity. If we could produce at 100% efficiency, we could look to profit an additional $144,000 for the year.
A leading part of our productivity is machine operator efficiency. If the operator doesn't load and unload the machine in the allotted time or takes extended breaks, our company efficiency will suffer. As a result of these facts, it was very important that we communicated to everyone that efficiency is critical to the success of the company. Which brings us to the creation of the efficiency game.
Games are an ideal way to close the gap between management and employees. They require true teamwork to achieve a common goal. Matt and I worked with the supervisors and setup personnel to create a game that would entice our workers to strive for 100% efficiency. We found that the most difficult part of setting up the game was determining what the goals should be. After much discussion, we decided that an overall average goal of 95% was achievable and fair.
On June 9th, we began a game that would hopefully help to increase our production efficiency. The game had a golfing theme. Each week of gameplay covered one hole on the course. At the end of week 4, the game piece reached the clubhouse on the golf course. If the partial goal up to that date was met, then a cookout would be held in place of an 8-hour workday at the end of the 4th week. If the goal was met and held until the end of the 9-week period, then a company picnic would be held at a local amusement park.
Individual benchmarks were also set. If an operator ran a machine at 100% efficiency 3 times in 1 week, they'd be given a gift card for their contribution. We called this benchmark a birdie. Each week that an overall production efficiency of 95% was achieved, a drawing would be triggered for the prizes at the golf clubhouse and at the company picnic. We called this achievement a hole-in-one.
We had a 9-hole golf course game board made, and we used a golf ball as the game piece. Each week, the golf ball would move a little further throughout the course. Along the course, there were sand traps and water hazards. If the efficiency was slipping, then a ball would move into a hazard. This would trigger additional coaching meetings between the supervisors and the production staff. Every Monday, a huddle would take place to update all of the production employees on the status of the game.
Earlier I described the birdies. We thought this would be difficult to achieve, and we would only need a few gift cards. We ended up giving out 61 cards valued at over $1,000 for the birdies. Since we exceeded our goal for the first 4 weeks of the game, we moved to the clubhouse on the game board. This meant all employees worked the first shift on July 3rd and attended a company cookout. It was well deserved for all the hard work, and we all really had a great time.
At the end of the 9th week, we had exceeded our final goal of 95% efficiency. We rewarded all the employees with a company picnic at the local amusement park. At the outing, we raffled off 9 prizes commemorating each successful week our goal was met through the entire game.
I think we all learned a lot from this game. The main thing being that we all have a stake in the success of the company. Not only for incentive payouts, although those are nice, but so we all have a prosperous and profitable place to work well into the future. All right, here we are, first week of October. Just wanted to review the game. Our machines ran at an average efficiency of 98.9% in this time period. We were able to bring in $28,500 more
than if we would have run at last year's average of 88%. Our main concern was that when the game was complete, our efficiency would begin to decline. But in August, our efficiency was 98.2%, and in September, 98.4%. None of this could have happened without our dedicated employees working together, helping each other, and finding better ways to do things. They deserve all the credit for the gains that we've made. We're very proud of them all and grateful for their hard work. And we look forward to trying more games in the near future.